All right, so by now you should have your student account with Autodesk. So now all you need to do is download Revit. So the first step in that would be to go to this link that's listed in the module. It says you can download Revit here. Click that. That'll take you to the student community. And you'll see up here there's a little button where you can sign in. So you'll click that and you'll be brought to this screen, and you'll just put in your user email and password and then sign in. Once you get signed in, it'll bring you to a screen where you can search for Revit. So we'll just wait for that to happen. All right, there we go. So if it's your first time signing in, it'll say your name and it'll tell you you've been confirmed if you haven't already signed in. I'm gonna just get the software. And then what you do is you have access to all this software, and Revit should be pretty close to the top, but if it's not, you can search for it. But you're basically just looking for Revit. And let's see. You don't want the Revit generative design, you'll want regular Revit. So it looks like this. And you'll say get product. And you'll tell it if you're on a Windows machine, which I don't think it doesn't give you the option for a Mac. So it's Windows, and then you're going to pick the version. I usually just pick the most recent version, but whatever you do, make note of what version you're using. So right now, 2024 is the most recent. You might be working in something newer than that, 2025, 26, 28, whatever. Pick that version, and then you'll want it in whatever language you want it in. I'm going to pick English. And then you're just going to hit the install button and then accept. It's going to download a file onto your computer. So we'll just click on that. And it's going to start the installation process. So this will take a little while to unpack and then start, and then it's just like installing any other program on your computer. It's going to take a little while. It's got to download a bunch of stuff, and then it's going to start unpacking it and then installing it on your computer. And it could take an hour and a half, depending on your internet connection, how fast your computer is, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to leave you here at this point in time. You go ahead and make sure you get this downloaded and installed, and then I will join you once you have it installed.